slime. Warning, this product is not food. Okay, thank you. And that's it.
What do we have in here? Ooh, there's actual mini ice cream cone containers in here that you can put together. There are 5 different colorants for the slime, 3 bottles of scent, this bag of foam balls, they're really tiny ones. Then this bag has cherries, sprinkles, spoons, a measuring spoon, and a stirring spoon. We have clay. This kind of feels like Model Magic. This is nice. There are 3 small containers, 2 large containers, and yes, they do all have lids. They're just still in the box. So here they are, lids for everyone. Oh, it comes with its own little mixing bowl, a bottle of slime activator, this little bottle of magic foam soap, a measuring cup, and of course, a big bottle of clear glue.